You had a good shot down there.
Yeah. Let's choose this one. Blazer, it's called. It's called Blazer.
Blazer? Oh,
Here.
Boy, this is gonna be a good one.
This is gonna be a good one. It's called Blazer. All right, Katrina.
Katrina here? Oh, yeah.
You're. She's here. Where are you going? Where is he going? A knife. Oh. You could have just gotten like scissors or something. Fuses tape.
Alright, here we go. Ready? This
Yeah.
looks like it might be a good one.
Yeah.
The Blazer.
The Blaze.
Go sit on the mountain and watch it.
I might. You never know. I could. Right. The camera won't get a good shot, but okay. Whoa!
It is a Blazer.
It's not really a blue blazer.
Wow.
Not much blue in the blazer. Oh! Holy crap!
Wow, that was a good one.
And that wasn't even the finale either.
That was a good one.
That wasn't even the finale.
Did you get it?
Yeah, we got it. I got it in the camera.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
Blazer.
I don't.
You like that one, Katrina? Katrina?
She's over at
I
phone.
know, you can't talk to her. Show us this.
Miss Glitter is this one called? Miss Glitter.
Miss Glitter?
Yeah. I have no idea why it's called that.
There, buy your cigarettes.
Katrina, move that way a bit more. Katrina. Hey,
Alright.
the camera's not going to get it. Move over there a little bit.
Ready?
Yeah. We're good.
Oh.
Oh.
You can't record it from there.
Yeah, I can.
Come on over here.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
What the?
Oh,
Done.
Dud? Are you kidding me?
be careful.
Yeah, be careful. It could explode.
Come on over here, Abby. Get a better shot.
Okay, I can't run out there yet. Don't light it yet.
Dud!
Dud.
Believe it.
Darn it. Darn it. All right, yeah,
You're
you're right. It's a better idea to record over here.
I might be able to open it.
This one?
Yeah.
Color Shock. This one's going to have lots of colors in it. Color Shock, it's
Don't
called.
throw that one away yet.
Don't throw it away yet.
Oh, here we go.
See, you'll be able to get good shots from here.
Yeah, I'll get some good shots for the video.
My grandmother, so things like that. There you go.
Oh,
There's
what?
a mosquito by me.
There. Those down there on the step. By
There's
the
mosquitoes.
water
at
stand.
home.
Oh,
Here we go.
okay. I'm going to back up a lot. Whoa, that's nice.
Here comes the bang. Bang, 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 bang.
Oh, gosh.
No bangs on this one.
Yes, bangs. That one's loud.
Wow.
Woohoo! Nice one, Grandpa. Good job.
Yeah, that was a good one.
I put it here. This one is
That's like
called
the other dud.
Fire at Will.
Hope that's not a dud.
Yo, it better not be a dud. Or then I quit.
Fire at will. Uh-oh.
Which one's Will?
That sounds like a tough
Nobody's named Will here, are they?
No.
Get it?
Yeah, I get it. Yeah. Ba-bum. Psh.
Ready, Katrine?
Yep. Katrina. You can never. She's ready. Just start it up.
Woo! Here we go.
Uh-oh, here comes the bang.
Not yet.
Okay, yeah, near the middle.
I don't think there's any bangs on the little one.
That was
Ah! That was-
semi-pitiful.
Reminds me of a bunch of little ones together.
That was pitiful.
Spark.
Don't throw that stuff, those cigarettes in the boxes. Chris.
No, I wiped it.
Sparkling glory.
Oh, this might be nice. Sparkling.
Oh, I'm gonna back up for this one. Oh.
The last one?
Huh?
Is this the last?
There's one
No,
more.
there's one more.
I'm gonna put this one right here.
No, don't you stop it. I'll probably get on fire.
Aren't
Considering
you,
it's right there.
Aren't you getting that basketball thing in the filming?
No, it's okay. It's not really.
Oh.
It's just a little bit there.
Stand over here by Grandma. Let me get a better angle.
Oh! Did you see that? I bet it's gonna bang.
Yeah, that's a pretty one.
Yeah, it's nice. Here we go. Here it comes. Usually when it does that, it's gonna bang. Here it comes. Whoa! Whoa!
That was a
Yeah.
good one, yeah.
The cover art on this one looks scary. Bright Fire. It's got a dragon on it.
A dragon.
Yeah, Bright Fire it's called. Oh, this one's gonna be big. It's the biggest one we got out here, I think.
Is this the last one?
Yeah, the last one for tonight.
How many we got for next week?
Like 4, not including the little ones. So,
Well, at least we got something to look for next week too, right?
well, yeah, you're right.
Because if we did them all tonight, we wouldn't have anything for next week.
Yeah. The banging ones are loud. I should get some earmuffs or something.
Yeah.
Here we go. Last one for tonight.
This is gonna be a good one. Bam, 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 boom, 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 bam, boom, boom, boom. Ooh.
Oh, the bang's starting right away, it looks like. Oh my. Oh, there's more. What a way to end the night.
Pop goes the weasel.
That was a long one, that one.
I know, it was a good one.
Pop goes the firecracker.
What a way to end the night.
I sound like an announcer or something.
That's it, Katrina.
She's not going to be able to hear it. She has her headphones on.
Not going to be able to what?
Never mind. I was wrong.
Whether you're saying something about someone, aren't you?
Me?
Yeah.
We said that's it. We're all done.
Yeah, that's all he said. Why do you never believe me on anything?
Why you want